Welcome to the Frugal Fox channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that strikes at the heart of financial freedom: living below your means. We'll be exploring 3 essential habits that can effectively combat lifestyle creep. Let's jump in. First up, set clear financial goals. Without a vision for your financial future, it's easy to fall prey to lifestyle inflation. Start by defining what financial security means to you. Maybe it's early retirement, a dream vacation fund, or simply living debt-free. Establish both short-term and long-term goals and keep them visible. When tempted by splurges, remind yourself of what you're truly working towards. This mindset shift, from instant pleasure to long-term satisfaction, is crucial. Next, embrace mindfulness in spending. The modern world is filled with enticing offers and non-stop marketing designed to make you part with your hard-earned cash. By practicing mindfulness, you pause and evaluate whether a purchase aligns with your goals or just feeds the desire for instant gratification. Ask yourself, does this buy happiness, or is it just a temporary thrill? Over time, this practice will help you make more intentional decisions that support your financial well-being. Lastly, automate your savings. Make saving a non-negotiable part of your budget. As soon as your paycheck comes in, allocate a portion directly into savings or investment accounts. By treating savings like a fixed expense, you eliminate the "I'll save what's left" mentality. Cutting out the temptation to skip saving sessions keeps your financial ambitions on track and helps maintain a frugal mindset. In conclusion, living below your means doesn't require drastic lifestyle changes. Rather, it involves cultivating habits that align with your financial reality and future aspirations. Set clear goals, practice spending mindfulness, and automate your savings to keep lifestyle creep at bay. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Frugal Fox channel for more tips on living a financially savvy life. Until next time, stay frugal and stay smart.